Hi everyone, my name is Alex Wynn and I'm currently serving as Secretary on APTA Student Assembly Board of Directors, or SABOD. Some of my official duties include recording minutes for all SABOD meetings, maintaining the action tracker that we use, and keeping SABOD up to date, on task, making sure that we're meeting all of our deadlines. I first ran for SABOD because I love to be at the forefront of change, and I wanted to be a leader that other students could relate to, from diversity issues, financial struggles, lack of awareness on how to get involved, etc. I specifically ran for secretary because my skill sets match that role to a T, from organizational skills, ability to multitask, and not being afraid to keep others in check. It's also a position that you can make your own. You can assist with projects and committees based on your desires and your time availability. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to me at aptasa.secretary@gmail.com.